We have many tools available, many workshops that are free and available to those registered users that come through the New Mexico Workforce Connection. We have a labor market research workshop, which is huge. It's a fantastic tool. It allows people to go in and find out what tools are available through the New Mexico database. There are many free resources that are available as well that folks can tap into and look to see what the current economic trends are in terms of what occupations are growing high in demand, things of that nature, what skills set they need, what type of education they need. It's very tailored to what that particular individual wants. Skill gaps are addressed by the many different assessments that we offer, also through the staff, the business consultants and the career development specialists that we have on site that really do extensive case management, and they're able to talk with that individual and see what their transferable skills are based on their resume, their work history, their experience, and then we can help get them to where they need to be by addressing those skill gaps through the assessments and extensive case management. We also look at salary and wage opportunities and things of that nature. We also have them come through resume writing if they choose to do so. We have interviewing skills, Job Club, which builds a network of individuals to share resource and experience. And a lot of our clients will use that to take a look and see what they currently have as a skill set and bridge potentially a skill gap with what they need to obtain in terms of skills and training. And that helps create a pathway to the education or training programs that we can help connect them with. We have excellent facilities, so we've got the computer labs available so that we can assess multiple individuals, which is really beneficial to the employer because then they're able to get as many candidates through as possible. We have WorkKeys, which is a wonderful assessment tool. It also helps the employer in a recruitment aspect, obviously, because then we can give the employer the information. They can help make a better decision in terms of the candidate.